Hello my friend, today we are visiting a farm. It's pretty much like a field in Asia, but it's a fish farm. This is a very famous and popular fish in the US, catfish. I believe when you see it, you are feel very familiar. Personally, its meat is quite delicious. Let's find out how they raise this fish. We will harvest eggs from the female to start. Do you see its two signature beards? Then artificial insemination with prepared male fish sperm. This is a system that creates the same environment as in nature. This is an egg that has been fertilized and is waiting to hatch. And another way of hatching eggs. The fry will be brought to the pond after 2 weeks of age, and the food at this time is also ground into bran. And this model is to alternately raise many age of fish at a time. This is a fish food factory. Food pellets are synthesized from grains and protein from fish meat. They are pumped into tanks to gradually feed the fish. Then there will be a dedicated car for fish to eat. The process of fish eating will also assess their health status. And this is the farm in Asia, Vietnam. Next is an important system, that is the oxygen supply system. They provide oxygen to the pond, active during the daytime It is powered by electricity or simply by a tractor.